Editing the homepage in PrestaShop allows you to customize your store's front page and make a strong first impression. Here's how to do it. Log into PrestaShop admin panel. Access your store's admin dashboard by logging in with your credentials. Access theme customization. Go to Design, Theme and Logo in the admin sidebar, then click on Customize your theme. This section allows you to modify various parts of the homepage. Use modules to edit content. PrestaShop's homepage is often built using modules. Go to Modules, Module Manager to manage these. Look for modules like Homepage Slider, Featured Products, and Text Block, which control specific sections of your homepage. Edit text and images. For example, if you're using the Image Slider module, click on it to add or change slider images. For text blocks, find the CMS or custom text block modules to edit introductory text or banners. Rearrange or add sections. Using Live Edit mode, you can drag and drop elements on your homepage or add new sections by enabling additional modules. Save and preview. After making your changes, click Save and preview your homepage to ensure everything looks as expected.